alokhu apheka kushuthi ngijumpe something yabo but ngingayithathele ekhanda kushuthi kuba khona la ngiphuma khona ngiqeda ukufasa izolo ngiyaphuma mangisani age so same time mangibuye yabona kushuthi umuntu yabona like kushuthi masiqeda ukugidla ne yasiyasula ngathi ngola kwethu siyasula
Yes.
sizosula ngento zakhe or maybe iskipa sakhe uzosithatha niyafake athatha indishi lesigezela kuyo with clean water ngingambhaqa shuthi bekathatha lamanzi lawa ne akhulume and pour it or I mix nale khona le plastic lele encane and then pour it ekudleni kwami
Lo ketshezi lwakhe lo nolwakho alifake ekudleni.
yeah afika ngilwise futhi indoda avuka ngasongitshela amasimba avuka ngithele nebhakede lamagaga mfethu I struggled ngezinto ezibhaya I struggled ukunceda inqosi yami I struggled ukunceda ioledi lami I struggled ukunceda ugogo wami yona njalo nginqakadele ngokuthi yena bengifila ngathi ngiyamncane indlela mfethu bengumncane
Bafethu sanibonani lapha emakhaya once again bafethu welcome Soweto podcast is the show bafethu once again welcome namkelekile bafethu always learn with warm arms with warm hearts we say guys welcome once again we thank you so much guys for tuning in we thank you so much for choosing Soweto podcast bafethu the voice of Soweto the biggest podcast bafethu that you can ever think and imagine of bafethu ila eSoweto ekas irano obani irona machita seSoweto amachita khereza angazange ahlale phansi atazinikelela bafethu been in the industry for the longest period of time but we decided it doesn't if they cannot do it for us we'll do it for ourselves so bafethu you're welcome please don't you go anywhere don't forget to like subscribe hit the notification button let us know bafethu of our stories share them like them and let us know what you think any contradictions let us know if you think you can do better please come through lab double khawuyazi siyathunga makubuhlungu askisi sizoyipolice senqanya bafethu don't go anywhere Fortman
Ayibunjani?
uzethe mfana
I talk with mlandi.
yeah no sizoyilungisa usivakashele fana khaso chat
Mnandi kanjani?
ya ngiyabonga sedlendle
Ngibonga mina.
waze kanjani ngeSoweto podcast asemzini
kushuthi kune outcome enokubukela yabona so inokungidonsa yabona nami ngibheke yabona so nami vele into bengithi kahle singahambe ngitshela amanye out nezinye ithilini istory yabona so thando uyangithola yeah isihamba mhlambe nespice inyana uyangithola
ngiyasetshe thingisa nathi ngiyasinqanya leso
Yeah, sure.
Millions of viewers are watching us right now. Please may you do the honors esidlaleni singenzobe famous kakhulu kusuka yinja ngiyakutshela istory sakho sothando mfana
sibone mfethu sibazicela motor
yeah sure mfana please introduce yourself tell us
sanibonani igama lami uThabo estradini bangibiza ngoshoba mfethu ngikhulele eWhite City kahle ngikhulele emakhishini then kwaba nesikhathi sokuthi span from audit yaphela ngayo Soweto eWhite City so yeah ngize namhlanje ngizontshela ngomunye umuntu engengamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngawo ukuthi noma nginokumcabanga nje ngivele ngifikele emapini abhlungu yabo like nasengqondweni inhliziyweni physically yonke
okay
yeah so ngaqala njalo
yaseCharlton with all due respect mfana ngicela singene phakathi
thank you for it kushuthi ngingayedanyani for ama mistake nyana yazi ukukhula yabona I think it was 2012 ngatriala 1 year bangishanga 4 years in prison and then ngashaya 2 years so 2 years ngiphume in 2015 2015 ifeda ngiyaphuma already hlala va eWhite City ngiyangithola itime ahlale Lens ngayishapa itime alithini litha intwana yami oza ngali eLens yabona sizobona indaba zepani just woza uzohlala nami kancane I sharp time akuna stress ngiphuma kuyi Thursday out intwana encane time alezela ngisayinela vele eJozi out silence Lens Thursday yabona manje ngilala kanje ngicabanga ikasi ngiboshwa kanje ukuthi bengingaphile Lens nginabantu engibamisayo yabona ngischeme sami nginama out sharp ngihlukane nomama wenqosi iholide le firstborn yami ngisedanyana yabona ukuthi angathayideki yabona mfethu mina ngilele qhubeka ngempilo yabona sharp na agcina join ezinye izinto hayi mva ngetimeni lo Thursday leyo kube mnandi bangijabulele stepmother yabona ama siblings ezasedladleni zithi Friday kuseni time link i5 clip yabo hayi intwana uzobona man we out yabo ziphathe grand ngavaya okay I thank it 35 clip by time alivale espanini yabona ngilongihleli sharp ngilungisa isinqo sasedladlini yesigele yabo hayi sibe mnandi ngikhaphi ngijabulele hayi nasekasi bangijabulele ngala khona abantu abangicavayo yabo ama-outs hayi sharp bele jardini ngisikoni mark yabona ngiclean discipline ngibuletanyana mfethu ngiyazithanda ngiyangithola clean mfethu yonke into kube nice endlini akube nengqondo ethi manje mfethu hambe kasi hambe wait vele ayimlo ya gone out angishiya message angenzi next shiya nje isikhiya phansi kwecarpet out angibaye ngika eKenza mangifika eKenza ngifikela kwenye out yami uThabang out yami nginganya sorry for the language ne ivumelekile yona
yeah asizoyenza something na
okay sharp out yami ngiyangithola la sharp ngigqala blind ayisivaye so kushuthi ngiyehlela eRockville yabo if you familiar ngekasi kushuthi eRockville ile ngase Sasol ngase khona isinye isikolonyana iLakeview so uhlala ngara sikhuphuke sekasi lami ngenyawo kumnandi yabona sithenga ikholi silo siyacoca ngifike bangijabulele wayithi ke bengilezi famous yabona izidume kakhulu fanele ukugqekeza so abantu ababhaba ngicava yabona laba abaza emva kwami bangicava ngibacava ngithi yabo 3 years ibhaya ngithola nje amashapu kube mnandi ngene endlini olidala kabuye espanini ifike intwana mina ukuvayisa ogeza izinto ezinjalo hayi kube mnandi bangijabulele olidi lingiphekele kamnandi yabo kushuthi ipheke kwayizolo la fake efridge hayi mawoma futhumeza siyadlala ngijabulele kuleli ngenyu ngithola hayi sharp zithi Saturday ngoshaya i-community service eJabulani police station clean kube mnandi fike outizama entwana uvanga ethi angila police station soqedile angiqedile bafika ngeventure mfethu dark life kumnandi yabona bangijabulele bazongijabulisa abaholile njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngaphuma kuyi25 yabo iborder smandani hayi mfethu sifike eGasi ube mnandi geze usuku shaya imoto siphume nama-out akuphuma kwethu nama-out sihleli setshwaleni kumnandi mfethu kushuthi out yami nto engifrustana khona le ngifikele kuyo ithi intwana yami nali khadi yenza kuphela kumele uzibambe uthole umuntu keep it why yabo akulakho kube mnandi ayisharp angelo ngiblome kanjalo kube khona ugene yabo lokho yabona nami vele hayi abantu ababhaba lokho bathi intwana plus ubuye ejele yazi usasemusha igazi lakho yabona libiza abantu yabona really ngayisharp hayi ngirelax hayi lokho yana nami lo ngiyathenga gcine ngiyaplug gele yangisondela akwaba mnandi saploma saringa nogeli ugeli uploma van ploma eKenza athi mina ngiyacava uthi ngicava athi ushuwa ngithi sharp ngithi mina ngikwazi athi ayikhulileka cela masinivale ningigcove yabo ngithi akuna stress vele sima sizivaye kuziwe kube mnandi kushuthi kube ngathi mina naye sisiba nenkulumo obvious nami sengiyabona udala ngizoshaya ngithola ngiphumetanya naye sharp kube mnandi sizwane simdrope off kubo bangidrope off eladleni yabona ngisasayini ekseni bebazoza belabo khato neSunday bazongichecka hayi kube mnandi ukhisharp ngifike eladleni already yazi izinto yemanike lukambe busuka kube into ephela ugeli slow checkana yabona slow checkana siyabhelelana slow checkana ugeli ngigcine manje ngithola ispan isigrand nje yami la eWheatville ngishaya icarpentry yabo ngishaya icarpentry grand ngihola grand nje hayi sharp mangihola grand kanje ugeli umuntu engumenzela umuntu engumthandile ngiyambona manje nginokuvaya mangibuya ukuclean eroomini yangithola sekazona neoledi yabona kumnandi ayisharp le vibe le nami ngiyakhuthala ngithi at least ngithola umuntu ogreat ayi siva isikhathi mfethu oledi thini lete mfethu ngiyavaya ngiyosipana kwenye indawo ngithole isleep in ngizo-operate la endlini phumani ngala eroomini kufika ikhazini yami izobloma ngala eroomini siphume thina eroomini songena endlini mama sizo-operate idlahla yabo kumnandi cable ma-TV sizithengele ama-plasma yabona sa-install idishi we're making it a home sibali yabona kube warm hayi sharp ugeli makaloko alukhapheka kushuthi ngijumpe something yabo but ngingayithathele ekhanda kushuthi kuba khona la ngiphuma khona ngiqeda ukufasa izolo ngiyaphuma ngishaya izolo ngaphandle mangi-Sun Age so same time mangibuye yabona kushuthi umuntu yabona like uyathuka manje nesivalo sebhodo siyawa hayi manini manje nizosishisa ngiyayidobha yabona kushuthi mangiyidobha kuneplaza nyane encane yabona kube ngathi engathi alinyathele yabona alokho adlalise mina yabona So mangilodla nami ngiyamdlalisa back. Ngigcine ethi manje ngifuna umengitshisa athi light la stofini yabona. Umile in that position. Athatha izolo for the first time uqala kwakhe ukubhema izolo nami. Thatha izola light pa yabona. To skip ngithi ayisileka ngisingamfundisi yabona. Hayi kube mnandi sihleke. Hayi ngiphume ngishaya izolo lami. Maye angisabi nalento le ukuthi lela plazani leliya eLouis. Ngithola ngisalinaki ayishapha hayi. Sihamba isikhathi lo mfethu grand. Mfethu kube nento oledlami lethaya mfethu. Awusangayi inyuku. Awe ukuthi intwana yami since uspan. Ungaye inyuku first month. Intwana yami ngiyazo nezinto ngibhekele njenge-oleli. Nakhuleka moleli. Hayikhuleka ngizokhuluma nogele yabo. Cishe ngibiza igama sorry ngizokhuluma nogele yabo. Athi moleli. How from nini wena uzocela ipermission makumele ungiphe imali yakho mntanami yabo ngithi manje moleli umuntu ngiphilisana naye angeke ngimane ngizidalele yabona plus njengoba ngihlanga uJohn ngiyamthanda yabo sharp mntanami akunankinga engiringe nogele ngikela vuma sharp Bodas Mandani zolgaya ulidi mfethu siva isikhathi fika iBodas Mandani mfethu papa mesenga ugele inyuku yeinwele sekumuntu angazi China Mall orini sekumuntu oyithengile lemfethu wathenga 3 yeinwele ngizophapha oledi imali ethi awungalinda shuthi yonke into engizokhuluma neoledi ne once ngiqeda maybe over the phone or in person once I turn my back kuphelile like I forget angayithathi serious nginengozi I forgot yonke into mfethu nginokufika ngiphethe ikhadi ngidabulile yabona mhlambe ngishamada ile ngama-overtime abhayi. Fike ngimgaya ikhadi. Ingabi mfethu indaba za-next. Ngimtshenge time mina nje ngizicelela izolo mama noma ngibamba ngi-6 nyana nekene ngizoba grand. Ibe njalo mfethu. Like umoledi agcina vela. Manje mntana maye. Kunento engahambi kahle. Yabo. Lo kumele aphume la endlini. Esontweni bangitshele ngayo. Kumele athi kunendayelo kumele uyiphethe. Yabona. Uleli umzethe yangithola. Kunendayelo kumele ngiphethe njamani mulela ngani nje ukwatela into zakho yangithola obvious ukwatela uthi ugeli mina no girl si close as like any other mother banokuba na riding yangithola engathi she's taking over yangithola manje umexplainela umoleli athi hayi ngilo nomoleli so same time mfethu ashiyangena ubulisa umoleli lelo gama ayibulisa umoleli yangithola ayishapha makabulisa umoleli kanjalo babhekane kabi abathi hayi ngihamba nangalo mthakathi lo mntana azikhalise so manje oledi ithanda ngilandeli oledi ngisala ngithulisa umama ngithi hayi moledi uphilile impilo yakhe hayi thulisa umama manje so ungalinaki oledi yabona hayi oledi lakho emfethu ubhekazini nami ngifuna isipane sivaye so siblomela somewhere alright baby khululeka thi ngisipane sibone ukuthi sihlanganisa kanjani sizokhona ukurenta somewhere njozi mhlawumbe yabona nami ngizoba eduze naso isipane nice sharp avuma umama hayi sihamba isikhathi sepatini yakubo mama epatini yakubo kusho ukuthi sihleli kwabona siblomile singama-out ngiblomele zakubo yangithola ngize nenye i-out yami so uza ngitraine namaplate ayi-2 uza kimi kuqala yabo uma ngibamba leli athi hayi nako kwakho ngithi baby kanti ukudla musi kufanele ukuthi emsebenzini kuhluke ngani yabona athi hayi kwakho phela ku-special ngiyakubona kuningi kanje amanye ngiyalibheka mfethu le-plate lami vele linonile kumajejenyana yangithola yonke into ifresh ngiyabona okay sharp mara ngiyenzeni ngilithathe ne-plate ngitshela umacala uthi yazini nali ijeje angithi lami lebhayo sengafulela umacala umacala nami nge-sharp sidle ube grand hayi indlule leyo mfethu after 2 months from lesini leli ukuthi bekune-party kubo sisilile endlini hayi kumnandi siyadlala ugela athi mfethu bheka yazi inento enjani uma mncane noma ufuna ukuthengisa amabhiya so ngifuna inyuku yangithola ngifuna inyuku bheka ufuna imali na 5k ngithi akuna stress mfethu ngikhiphe 5k umnike ugela mangumgale 5k kushuthi after a few days ngibe nephupho siyaqabana yabona sitshelana amasimbi kushuthi mina ngise69 should business dala sothi ngishaya izolo ngihlele etoilet sivula umnyango yabona sibhekene shaya izolo siyasha kumama shaya izolo yangiphasa ayi mfethu ngiyazizwa mani time man la ngikho green ngibe dizi ngiva ngiyolala yangithola manyolala mfethu kushuthi ngilala ephuphweni yangithola afika ngilwise futhi ndoda avuka ngasongitshwala amasimba avuka ngithele nebhakede lamagaga mfethu wawona like literally leso smell leso yabo makangisha ngaso ne shuthi mangiphapha mangathi mfethu kunuka ikaka spine ikaka mfethu sengivukile straight life ngihleli kanje uhleli lo muntu ungibhekile shuthi ngathi bekahleli mina ngilovu yabona ngiphikisana naye uhleli ungibhekile kanje hayi lala baby akuna next mfethu ngitshela ukuthi azange ngikhulume next ngave hava la amehlo khona ekseni yamtshela manje mfethu hayi lento engiphuphila eGogreen athi asivayise eFaraday ngithi Faraday athi yaza 2Ks ayithi laba yafa masibuye eFaraday yathi siyakuya ingitshele yonke into enzakalayo ngempilo yami olidla lakho yileli khabathayo ntwana likusibanisela isonto leya sonto li Illuminati yabo izinto ezinjalo nami sengiyakholwa yabona serious yabona no angisaringisani oledi sengizonda kokugcina hayi mfethu siva bangaya ezinye izinto yabo angizispanise lezo zinto ayisiva isejardini masifike ejardini mfethu ngibe nephupho via mangilele yabo mara kusiphupho eliplan shuthi sathandana yabona kumnandi mfethu yonke into sima ice cream uyangitshela yabona yimi kuphela ngithanda vele umamakho ukwenzani in ayingivuke ekseni ngimtshela athi ayikhohla lezo usazophupha kabi ngiva kube nento ethi value ku-Oledi ngivanye ku-Oledi kanti ku-Oledi nalo ngara libhizi langithandazela liguqe ngedolo angifika ku-Oledi athi mfethu awu-5 ngifika kuyi-Saturday athi Sunday ekseni kusasa sesifitweni akumele uye-Moriwe uzoya ngathi ayisharp Oledi masifika la bangitshela ukuthi ugelo wami uyangibhayizisa bangigaye ezinye izinto ukuthi kumele ngizenze indayi treatment yabo mfethu ngithatha i-treatment mara ngihlala nayo ugelo ngiyazifihla so angisayenzi fully treatment ngithini ngithi le iyangijumpisela plus noma Oledi sikahlala checka so uyabona ukuthi mina ne-Oledi sigrand nami sengiyayifila lento yabona but anginasho I'm afraid of losing him mfethu ngiyamncanya ntanga yamncanya ngenye indlela ukuthi wabholelwa i-time mfethu angananix lo mntwana mfethu ngafika ngatlatha mfethu amshobe sina 2 months siceda ukuhlangana ngithola ngaqwalisa mfethu akana family akana next nabo mamncane nje yabona distant family ngaqwalisa kwabakuqeni labeke kwi-time nje kube nento ethi intwana vaye kunomuntu shuthi masisaphanda nebefore ngizoyidanyana kune out eGreen ngibizosi yami nasho emsamatemba yabona le out nje yami inyanga yabona niye kuyo shuthi mangene ihleke ithi edala ngilindile ngidaya yangancane wena ngalokho udlala ngami mfethu ulindeni yabo athi amfazi wakho mfana ukushayile ngithi ungishaya kanjani adala sikushayile sorry futhi bafiti yabo ngithi ungishaye kanjani atozana yabo ngihlalise phansi la akhipha into zakhe athi ayikhulile ku-91 rand into ayishumi likhona athi ayikhiphe lilahlele lapha adonse isikhwama sakhe adonse shuthi la athini sinye isigubhu sinembobo ngathi siso siba sikhulu la siphinde sibe sincane kunenduku lo ngathi stripper ihani so yangithola lokho akhuluma ngasakhuluma isikhwama sakhe lisamathambo sihlila ukhuluma nalento le ene sikatshintshi language athi yabona phinda ngibambe mfethu shuthi yabo la angibamba khona ne ukwawuza igazi maligijima uvela ama-goosebumps kuyenzeka kanjalo yabo athi relax kukhulume mfethu gcina akhuluma nenye language bathi shona yabona khuluma angigaye ezinye izinto nje yami athi yabona lezi zizokunceda ngithi athi wena sibanisa leso so 2 days 3 days uzozivayela lo mntwana mangifika endlini angazi lo mntwana wenzeni mfethu lo mntwana lo ungena kwami nje endlini allo Felix yimloyo baby grand ngikhumbule bheka lide ngiyayithatha edladleni kune danger yabona lama danger box lamancane esidiploma ku so i-danger i-gate ne liba shuthi i-danger ngaphandle ngifaka la epassage ye-gate ne-danger yangithola le plaza ngiyayichafa nawu people right ayishaba ngitshela ngizolibona ekseni hayi nami angifuni alibone yabona mara ngijabulele I'm excited athi sasa siyavaya ngithi yaba athi khona inyanga yami thikize angimphikise mfethu ngimphikise ngidaya ngilapho mfethu khona la kumele ngiyekhona athi uyavanga ngidaya khulileka ngizokutshela ngifuna ukusurprise vele ngiphume ngendlela zami the following day mfethu ngibuyela ubushkwembu bakhala lezi zinto lezi awusipanisanga asenze kanje njalo donse yabo i-charcoal le ababhema ngayo ipipe abeke enye into engathi amakatanyana yabona le ayibumba yabo nisimele si-blind ayibeke kuleya charcoal i-on i-charcoal manje angivale ngedayiri ngebhayi yabona akhuluma lokhu angiround akhuluma athi asami yide athi asami singene phakathi kwevene futhi shaya imoto shu khona esinye isiganga la ngasejabulani yabona ijabulani nostele kunesinye isiganganyana esikulahlela ezone sinomfulanyana ngicala ukuya la nje angifike vele sifike la mfethu sibane nethwasane lakho ka yabona thwasane lakho lithatha iharabu vele ishaye la akunanex thatha iharabu lishaye la akunanex mara yabona dani kunezinto ezibhaya ezisnacks engithola kunamasiba wenkukhu kunekhanda lenkukhu kushuthi nje yabona ukuthi isinyama sigezelwa lapha yonke into nje kusetshenzwa lapha yabona emfethu silizule le ndawo sizule njalo yabo la sisingala khona sithi avaya shuthi ugobe lo hayi ugobela ubani ithwasa lakhe libhinye yabo mayibhinyeka itle out ushkwem idibula ishaya kharav lethwasa emfethu ngitshela ukuthi kuyakupha mhlawumbe into engasuka like mhlawumbe from la phansi ne until bomaso and uyishaya mnani ngoba ushaya for khona yabo de kharav lime ngakhona ya ushaya emfethu kuphume ibhodlela like isigubhu sethu lithi kwabona mosishaye ngeblow dry siya shrink angithi plastic so manje sishrinke sesibambe le mipopi A2 ela phakathi kwesigubhu ukuthi le mipopi ingene kanjani through umlomo wesigubhu but imipopi nyane emincane but anyeke ingene la cause of ikhanda but iphakathi la yangithola kunenalidi kulo way out ubhalwe igama lami la ibhalwe show abhalwe Thabo la emuva and then kuba uya ngayi ubambe mina so should le nalidi le ingena la kimi izophumela ngapha kuye but imipopi mani nala mpopi awufani nami mani mfethu ngaze ngayigugula that ngibathi it's a voodoo what yabona the way bengihlupha ngakhona hawu mfethu ngikutsho I struggled ngokulala nje yami I struggled ngezinto ezibhaya I struggled ukunceda inqosi yami I struggled ukunceda ioledi lami I struggled ukunceda ugogo wami yona nje yami nginqakadele ngokuthi yena bengiphila ngathi ngiyamncane indlela mfethu bengumncane
kahle
mfethu bengumncane la muntu mfethu hayi shapu oledi lithini litemfethu kunendawo ngara ebhayisa kuneyitende yabo ngithi kuneyitende moli lathi antwana kuneyitende so angazi ucabanga ngithi yazini moledi vele uma grand ngimegrand yabo malini istende ngathi itende kwamanje angithi akaqhwala shuthi uncle lami imedi uncle oledi nabanye abantunyana bo my 5 kulelo plaza usithenga ngemali nge350 ngifike ngibuy 380 mfethu ngaprofita kamnandi kanjani no mfethu istende samba sicala kubo ma50 itende from 50 squat uyaphezulu so ngizenzele inyoko ngaleyo ndlela ngispende 350 mfethu kusho noma nestende ngokhala ngiyakunika nge20 ngiyakunika nge15 ngivukile iplaza ngara mfethu asilambi yonke into okuhlinzwa lana kuyadliwa yonke into emnandi yangithola nje lo girl lona abuye mfethu ukuthi ufike kanjani da mfethu angazi ngizwa ngonokho mina mfethu angazi ufike kanjani la mntana but nokusola mhlambe ukuthi wancenga ioledi ngendlela egrand oledi laqola oledi umuntu ogrand oledi laqola just nje ukhale ngokuthi ufuna ukuxolisa kimi mama kafika kimi ufuna siqhubeke hayi mfethu asiqhubeke la sigcine khona mina yanqaya ngeke ngizenze lezi zinto lezi bekuwe in lingene oledi imali ingena nelinye time alo shuthi umrude bambiza umrude iphethe isithwebe ngicela ukubona ukuthi izethi siyashaya uthama phethe isithwebe shuthi oledi imali ingena ehonjini yathi lokho ithi swe hatswe satani yabona iphethe nelinye iphepha ibeka isithwebe phansi like le phepha lokho yakhuluma lokho ifuthela lentuthu lapha emgugwini wami yangithola aphume lo mntwana lo eningenzani yabona oledi la kanjani donsi ibhodlela lekholi mfethu mntwana uthi ushaye oledi mntwana lo mfethu shephere umshayile ne but not like too hard yabo because naye uye wasleeper and then ibhodlela la laphunyuka and then lakwaba ikong yabona dumbu moledi bamfahlakisa ugeli and then aphume ugeli makaphuma mfethu ngitsho namhlanje I always hear her name mfethu yimi ubani for wena for life buya kimi mfethu I'm haunted I can't sleep I got uncedo ne from church na from the out yami ne but lezi zinto abangincede ngazo, it doesn't erase the memory. Because every time mangibe one yafika, mfethu ngikutsho ukuthi kumane kwakhanya, mfethu bengizondwa abantu mfethu. Abantu bangithanda njalo. Njengoba ngitshela ukuphuma kwami eDanyani, I was very famous ngokuthi noma ngiphandile bengikhona ukubhekela umphakathi yabona bengileyo out. Mfethu ngitshela ukuthi nala ngifike ngahlala khona no. I'm very well known. I'm a big person. Yabona anginanix but ngiyaphila. Ngathola ugele njalo. Angathola ugele grand. Ngayitshela utakhe ngisampuni. Adonsa uMasekende. uMasekende uyozithandele intwana, yangithola. Etshwaleni kamnandi kanjani? Kamnandi awugele uzimamela ublomeni abantwana bakubo enixdoko kubo la eRiver. Ziyawa kumnandi. Bengishalela nungashela inyawo Thamori. Mfethu ngitsho till today I'm married to that girl. Ngimthola unengosi ina 3 months. Ngaba nalento leyo ukuthini yazini? Athi sijole sibone. Bheka no ingosi ina 5 years no. Ikhulile. Yimlone engibiza daddy. Ithombe zikhona efonini mfethu ngigrand I'm blessed angisipani yasipani umama. Inoma yini for intwana encane. Yangithola. Ngikhaphile ngifikele eJozi njoba ngiza la on set just to make sure ukuthi I'm gonna request or she's gonna request for me or should I go with you babe. Yabona, like she's very supportive in a way ukuthi uyazama ukungishaya ngecounseling yana yokuthi ngifocus ngoba sinokuthi silele nje. Yabona, uhlala ngitshela sinini like nalast azange ngibelieve wangirecord ayo ngiphethe inhliziyo yami yabahlungu ngakhala ngathi sengiphila kanje ngenxa yomunye umuntu. Bathi ukuphi manje lo muntu mfethu takwa semphelile mfethu. Yabona. So somehow I feel pain for yena ne. But I'm grateful for lento enginayo manje. Manje I can tell a different story about love. And I can tell ukuthi wena uzangikheme wena. Yangithola nje ngoba ngiyalaza I know the smell of it. Bengiphila kulo mfethu. Ukushisa izinto ngingakhuluma endle. Lithi mfethu endle kakhulu wami. Usistir. Usistir. Angithola ngikhohlisa mfethu. To find out le athileke angitshela ukuthi should must ukugidla ne. Yasiyasula ngathi. Ngola kwethu siyasula.
Yes.
Should mina mangiphuma ngespanini ukuthi ngiyohlanganisa. Sizosula ngento zakhe or maybe iskipper sakhe. Uzosithatha niyafake athatha indishi lesigezela kuyo with clean water. Ayi ngingambhaqa vele mase ngiphuma kuye bese ngimhlala ngimtshela amasembe egcineni shuthi bekathatha lamanzi lawa ne akhulume and pour it or I mix it nale khona le plastic lele encane and then pour it ekudleni kwami. Ngiyangithola
Lo ketshezi lwakhe lo nolwakho alifake ekudleni.
Yeah. Yabona angazi but ukawe wangitshela ukuthi dieting leyo amandla wami amandla wakhe azo overpower awami kushuthi she's being in control in that because sengidla ukungcola kwakhe nokwami. You understand? Into ebuhlungileyo nje yami enebenyidla phu wami oleli mangifika lithi ngikuphekele ngedamu leli ngendlini.
Sho mfana yazini.
Angithola nje yami kabuhlungu kabi but no makangibona mfethu athi angakhala bro wami. Abakubo bathi bheka usibulalela umntwana labo mamncanyana laba. Ngibulala umntwana kanjani kuye bekasebenzisela umuthi. Esebenzisela mina ukuthi vele umamkhulu wakhe la ahlala khona. Umuntu vele obusy kasilonke last bamshisa wabhoda. Bamshisa mara mina sengithuthile umakho. Khona la ikhenze emaground. Umvuthisa life. Ngathi I wish I was there. Hayi ngendlela eblind yangithola. Umuntu uyaxolela yangithola njami. I wish I was there. Bengizoyistopa. I deserve second chance nami nginama flop wami.
All do.
Yangithola njami. Uchize umunye umuntu nika understand the story ngokufana. Umunye uzosithola uzosibheka ngelihlo lakhe nawe usibheke ngelihlo lakho. Yabona.
Yeah. So we already live and through everything that has happened uthini uMagogo no?
Yo uMagogo okay uMagogo khona. Angithi sibhaye itent. Shuthi immediate uncle khonini ne next door old kuba umakhelwane kuba yimi kuba uncle la ngithola. So it's Chawe Street leso strata sibize ngesibongo sami ngithola isibongo sethu. So obviously oledi likhona lila oledi lijabulile intwana encane ishadile ngithola. Nalo girl mangumtshela ngalento I don't believe in that. You know Khaled, they don't believe in umuthi. Baby lying. I hope umuntu isiwaprati. Yabona umtshele baby injalo. But at the end of the day ugcine yayibona naye. Ngithola. Yayibona uthi amuta ku rough. Futhi bekumele ube kahle ngabhoda. Umntana bekafuna ukungisayinisa mfethu ngenkani. Into bekayifuna sambese angazi lo mntana ubonile ngimi bro wami or yini le bekayigijimisile or kanjani angicabi till today nje amangazi
mara bekahala ngawo ukuthi makunganonga wena ne-oledi sure uba excluded in the picture.
Usho ukel mfethu ukel mfethu bekangafuna ukuthi ngiringe nge-oledi sorry nge-oledi unozala wami ngakunceda ukubeko wakho. So and I was so blind bengaziboni zonke lezi zinto. Bengitshela umaqala ngitshele yami ngicine ngiphuma kumaqala. Ngitshele yasemzini ngicine ngiphuma kuyo. Nekhazini yami le ngithi mina mangiphuma eroomini kuye kwazayo niyazodla. Ngicine ngiphuma kuyo kushuthi ngikaphe kwasana mfethu. Angamngani. Fere namanje ngiyibambe kanjalo yabona. Pinchama ubani lo ngithrowe naye grand yabona. Ayithi ngize ngajwayela ukuphila ngiwani. Ngiyangithola nje.
So let's go back kancane sechapter. Uphume edanyaneni.
Yeah.
Even if we don't entertain the reason of you going to uphume edanyaneni.
Sure.
Yeah. Now I'm more intrigued by you coming out of prison court or prison yard.
Sure.
And then what did you do afterwards? Did you go back to a life of gangsterism and thugs, or positive shift in your life with the more than anything?
Like
even though there were circumstances. So what made you to shift into positive, or did you learn as you were going into those mistakes and errors? How was your life after
prison?
Life after prison was hard due to people around me. And so that they always know how to judge a person. How good vele namanje because akusimfihlo yabo. And then I'm inhleli blind. So if you don't mind, I can actually explain what happened for me to go to prison.
Okay.
I was playing with the gun. Sihleli sibuye kumnandi ku September 1 September sibuye towards a park. So playing with the gun. Naba abantu bethu kumnandi sihleli nama out ngidlala ngegani. Yabona igani ngikhipha imagazine ngikhipha i1 up. It's empty. Literally empty. Ngilonge ithi cling. Kube khona la ngithi ne ithi cling. It's empty. Ithi bo but last hleli khona dlala sound. So no one hears the gunshot. And ikhala lengoma le gunshot yakumele twa ting yekothana ingoma yakhona. So akekho manje realize the shot because the sound was really loud bro wami yangithola. And nami asizwa ngala maybe after some time cousin yakhe ikhuluma naye athi shot lo mntana yethu. It was a mistake. What if iqhume kimi mfethu ngishaya naye le trauma ukuthi kwami kimi? What if lela bullet elishayela umuntu kuwehle if lishaye mina ngiyangithola mfethu ngibaleke ne-outcome shit lesile room la sibaleke ke sema orange farm nani uleli phone mfethu ubuya mfethu se police station ngibuye se police station ne-outcome bayeke kuboshwe mina yabona sharp i-court ngi-explain level ukuze bangigaye 3 years. I mean I have 4 years for remote ngahlala 2 years nangapha good behavior. So mina ubustoti bamjama ukubustoti bejewelry ngikhulela phambi kwengami yabona ngiyazi ukuthi testing pays yangithola yibo ubustoti bami yangithola izinto ezinjalo mone jewelry wena yabona ingami la mfethu bengizigibelele izinto ezinjalo. So ngishintshe kanjani nanje ngisho ukuthi ukuphuma kwami edanyana ngiyangasayina yonke into kahle ngaqeda ngihamba ngayo esikumane ePitori ngayenza i-clarity ngathola esinye isibani ngangithola ngasibana shuthi bengisengizitshelile ukuthi ngamane ngiphile ngiyi-one yabo ngoba it wasn't my gun ize nomngane so le nkinga le engingaba nayo ize nomngane
kahle
so ngivele ngabe ngathiwa abangani baze nenkinga yabona ngavela ngazi njengoba ngijeke best friend yami emedia yami nje.
So in a nutshell, you're telling me ukuthi kahle we out eGrand mfana. It's just happened ukuthi that particular day it became your worst nightmare.
So nje ngiyawuthi eGrand blind mfethu uwazi i-out ethandwa wonke umntwana wonke umzali wonke umuntu mfethu i-out ngiyaliyeba nabantu abanokugabheka kulandwa mina mfethu ozosisolvela ejardini ubani baniyadelela ngangithola imfethu ngiyaqondisa benginezami inyanga nami engazi ukuthi ngiyaqondisa bezama ukubhekela ekhasi ngangithola bebangacabanga nokuthi umntwana yeyakanga ngahlala bezibonela uClean Boy nabona intwana eGrand intwana ehlala nje inenyuku ngaphe operate ngecar wash yabona ngahlahle bengiliswa lento le yama isikhathini esibhayi ngiyangithola so nje yiyo ilevel leyo nje mina ngahlahle engisabhekane namanje ngisabhekane ne-nightmare ngithola but I know due to prayers I'm gonna overcome it nje ngizile nabantu abaningi abaphuma yabo bakhuluma about praying yabona like ingishaya ngaphakathi that thing in a way ukuthi I was so afraid ukuza la uzohlala la and talk I had this thing ukuthi people are gonna judge me like and I'm a shy person yabona but ubona udala ama-outer Grand the crew makes you feel special so uzoyenza into eGrand yabona so injalo nje yami so namanje ngiyaziphushela nje yami sharp angisasipani no angithola but nezinto engizenzayo eziGrand yabona ngigijimisa i-background acting ngiqeda ukuthathwa esinye story manje bathi Kingville ngohada permanent la so obviously it's gonna open a lot of doors and gates in mfethu ngithola it's gonna tear down every chain ngithola nje yeah so that's all I want mfethu ngifuna ukuthi nakabo Mufi bangiqolela ngithanda ukuthi mangiye White City ngibhekwe kahle yabona I hope ukuthi bayibukele lento le I didn't have isibindi sokubalanda because I had acting ukuthi bazongilwisa yabo ngibulala ingosi yabo at the end bazongilwisa but do mistake lo muntu lo phola kanje mfethu ngikumbhala bekathanda uSerena Williams ngikumbhala mfethu iteki njalo khona iteki bathi Total 90 ngisho ngithole papas beyasiyaphelile ngithole papas nesinye iskete esetennis eseNike nevest le tennis eNike nehalf le Nike kanti same day uzobhoda Boris Wayini
uqede umbhala lezo zinto
yes and my girlfriend ngamaqala
Let me tell you my perception when I show.
Sure.
Sometimes you look at someone as a human being, and then go by the element of trying to figure out umuntu. Sometimes it can be from a greeting, sometimes it can be from your aura.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just pure perception.
Sure.
How you receive lo muntu and how the person receives you.
Exactly.
Yabona mawufika uhlala phansi udalula udaba lakho mina ngithi sodila ngoStromtrom uzothi siyabavonce kabuhlungu bayangazi kahle yabo so kumele ukuthi okay manje show njoba ubizwa nawo show yabo so wena ikasi ulikhawathile so now only to find good what you see is not exactly what you get. You know, you ngibona igiant mina ngibona isinatla se-out esifit ukuthi le yajima le mara ikhenqizela abantu babamba inkunzi ngithi mara ushayembe le tarani ngithi ngibheke nete ngithi no man conflict kunobu-cheese boy kusho ukuthi kune-strati kunenyuku kunanani so but when you narrate your story and then you get to the peak of your story no see sometimes I do know ukuthi sometimes I can come in and be threatening mangibheka ukuthi mangithi hayi mfana show mina mina ngithi ngiyasika ngizobuza nje anguthi angikhokreni
Yeah,
bangikwatisa imaro yazi ngiyakuncama mfana ngibhayile cool sure ngiyakuncama ta sure
Njalo Sika.
you know, so only to find it, look, you brought in a story whereby Zipaya show itori ifana nalezi where we make so ama mistakes okuthi it's not even only you. Your greatness can be taken by the spiritual elements,
Sure,
whereby they'll try and block that because of yabona mawusho ukuthi sika benginebhekele kasi ibhekela entswembu to a point ukuthi ikasi lonke ingosi mkhulu gogo mama they know. So abantu abanjalo in the dark world aya asifuna umuntu ozoletha ukuthula, asifuna umuntu ozoletha positiveness. Look, we stay in the dark. You must understand one thing, we stay in the lane of darkness. Once you bring in the light, we make sure anything good oyibambayo, we must put an element of darkness. Ukuthi uzosithola ukuthi manje masesitracer i-eraser yonke ubuhlobo benzile ekuhlaleni. And then kubhekeka this part leyo ukuthi no,
current situation.
leyo yenzile erases everything that you've done, which is good things and positive things that you've done. You understand? So hence I'm saying it to show the courage for you to come into the show.
Sure.
And say ukuthi lento leni yenzekile hence ngisho ngithi you've paid the price. And then moreover, when you even got into the prison yard, they saw what it could be from you. Sometimes people can misjudge you. Just from looking at me, people can misjudge you. Hello, strong drum. Can't sweet giant.
Marshmallow.
I'm told. So what I'm saying when I show is fit ungibambe ngenye element of surprise. Yeah, I understand ungibambe ngenye element of surprise. So look, you've been watched by over. We're sitting on so many huge numbers khona manje. Rest assured ukuthi izofika emehlweni of the relevant people.
I hope so.
I pray it does. Izofika. And this is where we come in. You will see the viewers. You will see the real viewers who understand. Look, if the guy can come into the show and say, I even took time in prison for the mistaking I hands into show, look at this thing. You can play so much big role, a positive, and then one slight little mistake can cost the rest of the life that you've been trying to bring. And then abantu benze bakhohle nokuthi eish untanga konje bekayenzani from the past. You understand? Until the angel of light comes and says, don't forget ukuthi still nobani. What has he done? So hence I'm saying to rest assured show izofika to the relevant people yaseChartini. Leo make no mistakes, I'm telling you this now. Understand? So bafethu lapha emakhaya nango show out yami. Nani I'm sure lapha emakhaya nibona ushow angena nje ukuthi yo Sika ngathi uphethe ugantu kulu cancel trigger happy. No, looks can be deceiving, you know that. So the people in question, this is show, this is Soweto podcast. Njengoba nesinqanya bafethu lapha emakhaya njengoba sinqanya nathi bafethu. Yeah, we really want to take the moment to say sicela kube nozwelo. Sicela kube nozwelo. In fact, what I'd like to do now, the Flawless, is to also to send mhlambe if show doesn't have a problem with that, to say maybe family yakho, sister, whoever that might be, to come through to the show and then make amends to the situation and make peace completely, so that the show would be free to go a cancer. You understand? Because like we always say, sin covers love covers a multitude of sin, and forgiveness goes a long way, and it opens so much doors that we don't even see. You know what? It was a mistake, and I still admit I even took time to it in prison. So intercession is for us as humans who are left, and from here moving forward, the guy is willing. The guy is willing. And our role now is to take our place as a middleman, to say, Soweto podcast is a mouthpiece yasekhaya. So I know that you're watching this, but basekhaya, when you see usho niyamazi, sicela mangabe ukuthi kuzokufika eqinizweni ukuthi ngithinteke, please, you can come through to the show and Ushona will be here.
Yeah.
You know, just to bring peace and bring closure to all the situation. With that being said, Bafet, uthando kuphela Bafet, uthando kuphela. Let each one teach one, let an iron sharpen an iron. Alikhule Bafet ikasi. Alikusho, thank you so much, man. Yo, thank you so much. You know, such stories sometimes ziba so rare to find. You know, it's a positive mixed with negative, but at the end of the day, Usho is raising his hand to say, look, all that I want is closure.
Yeah.
And also send that forgiveness with Bafet Nyakonisa. So, Nyazi Bafet Lapemaka, you're watching the show, and all that we're asking from your son, your brother, you know, a friend, please do come through to the show and let us rest the situation so that Usho can move forward. I mean, if Ashuti, there's things that Sasel, as it crashes, you know, somewhere.
Help nomntanakhe umufi yabo. That's the only thing I want to do kahle. Since ngomthathela umzali, I feel like I owe that kid and like my life, bro. Yiyo into engihlukumezayo. Mangingathola nje chance ukuthi bangiallow. And understand.
How do I say no to that? If he's willing to even take the care of the child and help the child, how do we say no to that, guys? So how do we say, the whole nations, international, how do you say no to someone who says, I'm willing to take responsibility of my mistake? If you can just give me a chance. So yeah, may you please find it in your heart, guys, to accept Stelos show and give him a chance to do the right thing. Because he is willing, not forced, not coerced, but it comes from his heart.
Yes.
So yeah, no. Bafethu, please let us know watching. Ngiyazi nizoyincanya leyo ngithanda ningathandi nizoyincanya. Nizomthanda show. Asazi maybe singambuyisa vele la eSoweto podcast angene samwachune something akhulume nomphakathi. Maybe adile ngamashow afana nalanka wakhe ukuthi sika all that I want is closure to situations that are similar to mine where there were mistakes just like mine. Sika ngicela ningayisho njalo. Asazi by the grace of God who knows, but already I like this brother of mine.
Amen.
Soweto podcast paranormal show re tla o kena ntate mme ke lerato fela. Revenge, anger, strife, unforgiveness. Bona, we are where we are. Let me tell you, we are sitting on 14 million, 15 million viewers right now as I'm speaking to you. What do you call that? It starts with love.
Yeah.
It starts with love. With all due respect, akhona ma podcast Bafethu niyazi niyabuka, but this one will stand the test of time by his special grace and mercy. For as long as we are willing to change the complexion as a gas, let us forgive, guys. So I ask this from the humblest moments of my heart right now. Let us forgive and move on. We will see we'll become a better nation. Bafethu Soweto podcast, Paranormal Show. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let us know what you think about Usho, what you think about the Usho ne show. Sananya Bafethu. Sipoate was in the space rekenda tatamulera berikon. Ayoba rekafela. Show nyabonga utyam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nyabonga. Nyabonga. Nyabonga.
Thank you.
Ayoba.